Y'all, I literally slayed my makeup. It's so cute. Yes, if you're new to my channel, hey girl, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, okay? Period. Hey y'all, so today we're gonna do an easy soft glam makeup tutorial with a twist. So let's go ahead and get into it. I've already done my skincare and let me show you the items that I use. So for cleanser, I went in with this foam cleanser and then I went in with a toner as well as a serum and then moisturizer. So now I'm just gonna prep my under eye and I'm going in with this Jelly Grip Primer. This is an under eye primer from Essence Beauty. I got this from Ulta Beauty and I believe it was like $3. And this is just gonna prep my under eye for makeup. So next is primer, and for primer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Grippy Primer. Once you're done with your primer, dry everything down with a fan. So now it's time for foundation, and for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. So I'm going in with this Expert Face Brush from Real Technique. I applied the foundation to the back of my hand just to warm it up, and then I'm gonna go right in and apply this evenly on my face. So now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I'm gonna use these two concealer shades from e.l.f. This first one is in the shade Medium Sand, and then the second one is Fair Warm. So now I'm gonna take this contour stick from Morphe and I'm just gonna go in and contour my main areas, which is my cheekbones, forehead, and my chin, a little bit on the jawline, and then my nose. Now I'm just gonna take this brush and blend out that cream contour. When I'm blending out the contour, I'm making sure I blend upwards towards my temples. And now I'm gonna take one of these Real Technique brushes and blend out the concealer. So I'm just gonna blend out the edges first and then work my way upwards toward my under eye and blend it in to the side of my nose. And blend that concealer up towards my temple. And do the same thing on this side. Start with the edges and slowly work your way upwards toward your under eye. Blend it into the sides of your nose. So now I'm gonna take some liquid blush from Juvia's Place. This is Blush Lily, and I'm gonna apply some on my cheeks. I'm just gonna take a little bit under my eye, just a little bit. And now I'm gonna take some translucent setting powder with one of my powder puffs and set everywhere I put the concealer. Go in and set my under eye with the powder. So now I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place Blush Palette, Volume 4, and I'm gonna go in and set my cream blush. And go in lightly with the blush. Now I'm going in with Fenty Beauty Bronzer, and this is Caramel Cutie. I need to get me a new Caramel Cutie because this one is very old. Look at it, I need a new one. So I'm just gonna put that on the places I put that cream contour. And then my nose. And then on my lids. And just clean clean up the contour and bronzer with the rest of the powder. So now I'm going in with mascara, and I'm using the mascara from Maybelline. This is the Sky High mascara from Maybelline, and they did send me this as a free sample. Shout out to Maybelline, thank you. So now I'm going in with the lip combo, yes. So for the lip combo, the lip liner, I'm going in with this one from Fenty. And this is the shade Traced Out. And now I'm gonna take this lipstick from Glam, and I'm gonna put this on the center of my lips. And now I'm about to go in with the new MAC Cushion Lip Gloss. This is the color Yes, and I've been super excited to use this color. So I got this glitter from the TikTok shop. As you can see, I went in with a wing liner, and then I'm gonna go in with this glitter right on top. So here's how we look so far. Now I'm just gonna do my finishing touches. I'm gonna go in with this setting spray and melt all my powders. Now I'm taking a Juvia's Place setting spray. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I literally slayed my makeup, period. Hey, this is a easy, everyday soft glam makeup. I am in love. I literally killed my makeup, y'all. Can y'all see? Can't you see? But yeah, this is the makeup look. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.